Today we'll be preparing a delicious stew, but this time around it's going to be a different type. Sometimes you have to be creative in making dishes. So on this particular recipe, we are going to be needing our tomatoes, bell pepper, be it habanero, any type of your choice. We are also going to be needing green bean, sweet corn, your onion, carrot, ginger, and garlic with the ingredients that you'll be needing. So I will be making use of chicken for the recipe. You can use fish or anyone according to your preference. In here I added my blended ginger, garlic, nutmeg, salt, curry, and thyme, and I turned and mixed them very properly in order for the ingredients to enter the meat. In as much as that you are making use of chicken, you ought to make sure that the things you are cooking it with is something that will make your food to have a good taste. So we are going to be leaving it for some minutes to produce the juice from the meat. So once it produces, we'll add a little bit of water in order for it to cook properly. You should always time the meat in order for it not to overcook. So this particular recipe is something that you could try for your family, try for your husband, your friends, and definitely they will love it. Before I continue, I want to say a very big thank you for always watching. Thank you for my returning subscribers and the newly ones that is watching my video. Thank you so much, and thank you for always coming around. This recipe is a very good one. So after cooking your meat, you pour in oil into your pot. You add your onion, and also you have already blended your tomatoes and your bell peppers. You have to pour it in and fry the both together. Once you pour, you have to cover for some minutes and keep checking it in order for it not to get burnt. So let's keep watching, and please endeavor to watch to the end in order for you to know the particular style you are going to use to prepare this.